Hey everyone, my name is Frank Anderson. I am the giveaway guy. Can you relate to being just massively stuck online? Until I learned about these visible business killers, building my online business was just frustration after frustration. Are you doing everything and still hitting that wall? You got a great product, you're putting in long hours, you're following the guru advice, your effort rises and your results staying flat. And then I come across a discovery that changed everything. All of a sudden, these 3 hidden killers, boom, I found them. And then once I was aware of them, I could just modify my approach and instantly break through. The fact is, nobody else is teaching this. There's some hidden mechanics here to get real leverage to your business, and nobody is teaching it. The 3 business killers affect every online business model, regardless of niche. And these unknown killers create income roadblocks. You work harder, you spend more, boom, roadblock. The cool point is, the minute you identify them with the right methods, you can outwork them. You can overcome them once you identify them and take the right actions. Killer number 1, the silent leak. You earn some traffic, you get some visitors, and they just leak right through your fingers, no money. And you got to start again from zero. The invisible buying barrier. Everybody wants to know what stops people from buying you. Well, there's a psychological wall, and they got all kinds of psychobabble to teach you about it, but they do not point to the number 1 thing that puts up the psychological wall. It's not price, it's not your offer, it's not copywriting. I'm going to identify that barrier for you, and the sales path is going to open. Then we have the affiliate trap. The affiliate marketing is one of the best business models. However, if you don't know about this killer, your commissions will get stolen, your traffic will get stolen, your effort, boom, right in the garbage. Everybody else gets the reward for your hard work. I'll show you how to fix it. Every day costs you more. If you do not know what is happening, your campaigns, ads, posts, traffic dollars, every action you take, you're not getting the ROI you deserve because of killer number 1 and killer number 2 and killer number 3. Stop the bleeding. The solutions are within your reach. Once the 3 hidden business killers are identified, practical fixes become clear and accessible. No massive budget, no technical genius. You just need to identify them, take specific steps, and remove the blockers. So I got a live webinar for you, plus a $197 traffic app that we built ourselves that we're going to give you free for attending live. No catch, just show up, register, attend, and get all 4 gifts. Reserve your free spot now. 100% free to attend. $197 traffic app included. Register and forever change your income potential.